Let us solve for x and y. Given x plus y is equal to 6, xy is equal to 40. X plus y is equal to 6. Let us call this equation 1. Sy is equal to 40. Let us call this equation 2. From equation 1, s plus y is equal to 6. Let us make this y the subject of the formula. Y is equal to 6 minus x. Let us call this equation 3. Then from equation 2, sy is equal to 40. Now let us substitute for y, which is 6 minus x. S bracket 6 minus s is equal to 40. Let us open the bracket. S multiplied by 6. 6x minus s multiplied by x. S square is equal to 40. Let us equate everything into 0. We have 6s minus s square minus 40 is equal to 0. Now let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. 6x divided by minus 1. This will give minus 6x, then minus s squared divided by minus 1 plus s squared minus 40 divided by minus 1 plus 40 is equal to 0. Let us put this in standard form. S squared minus 6x plus 40 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve it using quadratic formula. S is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, or s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of discriminant divided by 2a, where discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Then from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 40. Let us compute this discriminant. D is equal to b squared, that is minus c squared, minus 6 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 1 multiplied by c is 40. Then d is equal to minus c squared. This is 36 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 40. That is 160. D is equal to 36 minus 160. That is minus 124. Then we have s is equal to here minus bracket minus 6 plus or minus square root of minus 124 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to minus times minus 6 plus or minus square root of minus 124 can be written as square root of 124 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 1, 2. Then S is equal to 6 plus or minus 124 can be written as 31 multiplied by 4. Then we have square root of 31 multiplied by 4 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 2. S is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2. Square root of minus 1 is I root 31 divided by 2. This can be written as 6 divided by 2 plus or minus 2I square root of 31 divided by 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 3. S is equal to 3 plus or minus I square root of 31. Therefore, S1 is equal to 3 plus I root 31, comma, S2 is equal to 3 minus I root 31. These are the values of x. We've gotten the values of s. Let us solve for y. To solve for y, from equation 3, y is equal to 6 minus x. Y1 is equal to 6 minus s1 is 3 plus I square root of 31, and then y2 is equal to 6 minus I square root of 31. Y2 is equal to 6 minus 3 minus I square root of 31. Then Y1 is equal to 6 minus, if you open the bracket with negative, you have 3 minus I root 31. 6 minus 3, this is 3 minus I root 31, and this is the value of Y1. Also, Y2 is equal to 6 minus 3 plus I square root of 31. Y2 is equal to 3 plus I square root of 31. This is the value of Y2. Our final answer are S1, Y1 is equal to 3 plus I root 31, 3 minus I root 31. S2, Y2 is equal to 3 minus I root 31, 3 plus I root 31. You can see that the value of S1A is equal to the value of Y2A, and the value of Y1A is equal to the value of S2A. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, the given equation are S plus Y is equal to 6, SY is equal to 40. Let us consider this. S plus Y can be written as 3 plus I root 31 plus 3 minus I root 31 must be equal to 6. This cancel this. 3 plus 3, this is 6, is equal to 6, which is true. Let us consider this. SY can be written as 3 plus I root 31 multiplied by 3 minus I root 31 must be equal to 40. 3 times 3 here That is 9 minus 3 multiplied by I root 31. 3I root 31. I root 31 multiplied by 3 plus 3I root 31. I root 31 multiplied by minus I root 31. This will give minus I square multiplied by the square root of 31 all square must be equal to 40. This cancel this. 9 minus I square. Then this square cancel this. Multiply by 31 must be equal to 40. I square is equal to minus 1. 9 minus minus 1 multiplied by 31 must be equal to 40. This is 9 plus 31 must be equal to 40. 31 plus 9, this is 40, is equal to 40, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please comment and subscribe. Bye.